Imagine standing on the surface of Earth and realizing that humanity has explored the moon, sent probes to the edge of the solar system, and photographed distant galaxies. Yet, we've barely scratched the skin of our own planet. What if we kept digging deeper and deeper? Could we eventually reach the center of Earth? The answer is far more complicated than you might think. The deepest hole ever drilled by humans reaches just over 12 kilometers beneath the surface. That may sound impressive, but compared to Earth's diameter of nearly 13,000 kilometers, it's no more than a tiny scratch. And even reaching that depth nearly defeated us. As scientists drilled farther underground, the conditions became increasingly hostile. Temperatures climbed beyond 200 degrees Celsius, hot enough to destroy sensitive equipment. The pressure became so immense that rocks no longer behaved like solid stone. Instead, they slowly flowed and squeezed inward, almost like soft clay. Every time engineers pulled the drill out to replace worn equipment, the Earth would begin closing the hole behind them. Steel pipes twisted under enormous stress, drill bits shattered, entire sections of equipment became trapped miles below the surface. It was as if the planet itself didn't want to be explored. But then the real surprises began. Scientists expected to encounter dry, dense rock at these extreme depths. Instead, they found something completely unexpected: water. Deep inside ancient fractures, they discovered hot, mineral-rich water trapped under tremendous pressure. Along with it came gases such as hydrogen and methane rising from the depths of the planet. Even more astonishing was what they found inside the rock samples. Researchers discovered traces of microscopic life preserved in rocks nearly 2 billion years old. These ancient fossils suggested that life on Earth may have existed much earlier and much deeper beneath the surface than anyone had previously imagined. The deeper humanity looked, the stranger the planet became. Then, another mystery appeared. Stories began spreading around the world, claiming that scientists had lowered microphones into the borehole and heard terrifying screams coming from the depths of Earth itself. The rumors became legendary, but the truth was different. The strange noises were actually produced by the planet's natural movements. Deep underground, rocks constantly shift and crack under immense pressure. Vibrations from machinery, flowing fluids, and grinding stone combined into eerie sounds that seemed almost otherworldly. The Earth wasn't screaming, it was simply alive. After facing so many challenges on land, scientists came up with another idea. What if the best place to drill wasn't on a continent at all? Beneath the oceans, Earth's crust is much thinner, only about 5 to 7 kilometers thick in some places. In theory, reaching the mantle from the seafloor should be much easier. So ambitious projects were launched to drill through the ocean floor. But the sea presented an entirely new set of problems. Engineers had to maintain drilling ships perfectly above a hole thousands of meters below the surface while battling waves, storms, and powerful underwater currents. The rocks beneath the ocean proved to be incredibly hard, and every replacement of the drill bit became a complicated operation requiring extraordinary precision. Despite decades of effort, humanity still failed to reach the mantle. Today, some of the world's longest wells extend more than 12 kilometers, but there is an important detail. Most of them don't go straight down. Instead, they travel sideways for many kilometers beneath the Earth's surface. Why? Because drilling deeper vertically pushes modern technology to its limits. The enormous weight of the drilling equipment and the extreme temperatures eventually become too much for today's materials to handle. Yet the dream of exploring Earth's interior has not disappeared. Scientists are already developing new technologies, advanced robotics, and future drilling systems designed to go farther than ever before. Their ultimate goal is something humanity has never achieved: direct contact with Earth's mantle. Because beneath our feet lies an enormous hidden world, a vast layer of hot rock that makes up most of our planet. After all our scientific achievements and technological progress, we've explored only the thinnest outer shell of Earth, and perhaps the greatest unexplored frontier isn't somewhere among the stars. It's the mysterious world that has been waiting beneath us the entire time.